Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to rickroll somebody on Discord. And I know it's been a while. It's been like about 2 months. And I know you guys have wanted content because you subscribe and then I don't give it to you. But I will be making content again. So here we go. First of all, obviously you have to open up Discord here. I don't know if I'm going to blur this out or not, but I'm just going to here. So you can type in check out this cool video and you can make it serious sounding serious so they wouldn't suspect that you're trying to rickroll them, and then you type it in like that, and then you're going to want to put a arrow that's pointing to the left, then copy the link to the song. So of course we have the video here, but I cannot play it because the music is copyrighted. But this is the song, as you can see right here. We're gonna copy it. We're going to go into the Discord, and after you have the little left arrow, you're going to paste it right in there, and then you're going to want to put a right arrow, and it should look something like this when you're done. And the reason you're putting these little arrows on the sides is because if you don't, there's going to be a little preview that pops up, and they're going to know that they're about to be rickrolled. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter, and you see no preview pops up at the bottom like it usually would, and the arrows go away. So then if we click on the video, you guys understand they will get rickrolled. So he's online right now. So we're going to see what he replies with. Yeah, that's basically how you do it. If you like the video, then I know that you like this type of content, and it supports my channel. Subscribe to this channel because you would get instant notifications right when I release that type of content. If you have any video suggestions, because tutorials aren't really a big thing now. I'm going to start doing walkthroughs, but if you guys want any videos on that, just let me know in the comments. I will reply to all the comments. See you guys next time. Bye.